And we made it out to the beach, Huntington Beach. And it's such a beautiful day. See the duck feet? See the tracks of the ducks? Yeah, you race them. Look at Boston, there's the water's like right here.
I want to go. There's a cool in my body.
Boston, where's your seahorse? There it is. Some seagulls just stole Boston's little seahorse toy that she's been playing with, and she is not a happy camper right now.
What happened to your seahorse? Did you throw it at the birds? What did they do when you threw it at them?
They got it.
Did they take it?
Yeah.
Did they take it and throw it in the water? You want it?
Yeah.
I'm so sorry, it's gone. It dropped it in the water.
Did it?
I think so.
We're not getting it back. Sorry, baby girl.
Boston! Boston, Boston!
Are you gonna ride the car?
Oh, tell Dad it, say it's the go-go kart.
It's a go-go kart.
The what?
It's a bike. It's a bike over
This bike thing is fun. Say hi, camera. What did she have there, Haley?
She carried that from the ocean.
The seaweed.
This is seaweed.
What is that?
This is ocean.
Oh, I thought she said this is awesome.